Are you ready for some winter magic? So Light Elegance asked me if I could create gaudy, long, blingy winter nails. And this is what I came up with. And before we get started, excuse my crusty cuticles and the skin, but it looks so much worse after you have cleansed them with alcohol. So yeah, you know how it is. Just ignore that. We are starting out with some base colors, some beautiful base colors, and adding this beautiful, oh my God, this glitter is life. I love it so much. And then moving on to sparkles or sequins. And Jesus, if this is not like ice or snow, I don't know what is. And I absolutely love that Ellie came out with Marshmallow as a buttercream, because you can use it for so much, and especially now, you know, that frosty or milky trend, you can use that for all of that. So if you don't have it, get it. I love it to bits. Now we're going to add a little bit of crystals. I'm using One Step. This is something that people ask me all the time. What gel are you using for your crystals? And I'm basically just using a One Step. You want to have a low viscosity gel, and then place your crystals into that. Move the gel up to the sides a little bit, cure, and that is pretty much it. One thing that I love with the buttercreams is that you can create a little bit of 3D effect with it as well. So here I'm coming in with some acrylic powder, just pouring that over, curing, and you have this nice little sweater nail with the tiny little shimmer in it. Super cute. Then doing the same thing with the gel paint. So you have the icicles. And what is a winter design without a snowflake? So of course we're going to do a snowflake. And there are so many that you can find on social media. So just save a bunch of fun snowflakes so that you don't just get stuck in one specific design, because there's so many cute snowflakes out there that you can try. I'm adding some one crystal to this, and oh, the bling, the winter gaudiness. Which one is your favorite?